It is 9:20 on the last day of the working week, 21st of April. It's a Friday. So after the surge, after it paused for a minute, what I did was 41,800 call option at 650. I shorted it and a very good morning start indeed. So this is going, I'm going to shift the stop loss to cost once this breaks 600 because such a sudden surge in the opening and then a pause, that is where I decided, okay, let's take a little over here. On the other side, as you know, as you must have seen in my previous videos, I also have bought May end puts just in case of the correction that I'm expecting. So to hedge that, I have shorted 41,800 put options, which I'll be holding. Anything below 42,200 is profitable for me, or else this will just give a complete 1,000 rupees till expiry next Friday. Next Thursday, sorry. So at the moment, I have this. So I think I'll book it now because market is looking to turn up. See, when it pauses like this, okay, there's a chance of it shooting back up. So I'm going to book this now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, traders, the time is 10:15 and topsy-turvy day. What happened? I started with 41,800 put selling. So that is going okay compared to the put option that I bought in Bank Nifty for May end. And I had bought 42,300 call option at around 298, but unfortunately that did not go as expected. It hit my stop loss. So what I did is I hedged a 41,800 call option sell at 650. I booked it at 550, and 42,100 put which I bought at 183, and I booked 3,000 rupees profit over here. So this basically cut the loss over here. So that was a very good move. Now I see the market turning up. So a put option deep in the money, 43,000 put option, which is 800 points away. I shorted it at 808. On this, my stop loss would be 1008. So I am expecting a really big bull move, and so are my fellow traders who I'm in touch with. So let's see if that does happen. Then we can probably see a 2 to 300 point booking over here in profit. Right now it's going so well, so let's see how this works out. Okay, the reason for me taking the trade, let me just show you very clearly over here. The bottom RSI over here has started to break out. Okay, and this is coming over the previous red candles one by one. So when there is an uptrend on a SAR down, so it will break that and it will start moving upwards. If my view is wrong, yes, it will fall below, and if it breaks 42,107, which is this low, okay, then we could see a massive correction coming through. But over here, if you see the volumes on Bank Nifty, it has been high. Then there's been a slight correction to trap call writers, sorry, to trap put writers, and probably from here it'll start moving forward. Let's see how this works out. Okay, traders, time is 11:12. It's been a boring zigzag day so far. So what I've done is the 43,000 put that I shorted at 808, I've pulled the stop loss to 880. I don't want to take much risk today because market is looking bearish, but it could give a big U-turn. Really don't know. So I think it's going to create the impression of a fall and then turn around. I'm really not sure. Going by RSI over here, though it is coming down so drastically, it is still maintaining a level at just around 42,200 to 42,180. So if this bounce happens, yes, there will be a big bounce like you can see right now. So I'm going to aim for at least 100 points on this. The stop loss is 80 points on 43,000 put option. Additionally, I had bought 42,200 call option at 279. As you can see, it's already almost 10 points up now. Here I bought it. My first target is 301, the second target is 323, and the stop loss is fixed at 240. So the intraday trades right now are showing a profit of around 800, which is pretty good. And Lal Path Labs, the stop loss over here is at 15 points, that is 1901, and the target is, I'm keeping it open. 41,800 is a positional, so we can just ignore the 600. So overall, the actual running profit for intraday is 1300, around 12 to 1300 rupees. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the 43,000 put option which I had shorted hit my stop loss at 880. Originally, I planned to do it at 200 points, but then I saw some buying opportunity. Bank Nifty behaved in another way. It's actually my fault when this line crosses, when the green line crosses red, okay, yeah, it pulls back, hits VWAP, and then starts decaying. So ideally, this was a call short. So now that this SAR is falling down, I'm going to wait for the SAR to cross the red line and wait for a candle to close after the dot crosses the red line. That is when I think I will buy a future and just hold till close. Let's see how that works. Right now, Lal Path Labs has become profitable. Okay, so currently my loss is standing at 5,300, but if you remove this 2,500, so it's basically 3,000 loss today. So I'm going to wait and check for another opportunity later on. Nothing right now. I'm just going to sit back and relax, take a break. And the time is 12:12. Let's see when I can come back and get started again. Okay, traders, time is 1:49, and some very bad trades I've taken today. Very unexpected what happened today. But how to buy into options, whichever option you're following that is falling. Okay, what you need to observe very carefully is when there is a rise and a fall and there is one consolidation. Okay, wait for the dots as explained in my courses. Wait for the dots to cross red and wait for it to break above it. Okay, so this is one fall, this is two fall, then this is three fall. Okay, whenever it falls and stops and consolidates, that is, you have to look for three. Now this is below this, so that's okay, that's one. Then this is below this, so that's the third fall. Now this is where I would usually buy, so I did buy some options and I bought futures, and guess what, it went for a fourth fall and here it consolidated, so I booked everything in loss. Big loss today, five-figure loss, but I am still confident that this will move in the right direction. Why? I'll show you. Now that this has crossed this SAR, okay, over here, I'm looking for a burst up. I will show at the end of the day how much quantity I've taken, and I'm looking for at least 180 to 220. I bought 42,400 call option at 120 exact. Now I've shifted all my quantity stop loss to cost so that this is a zero loss trade. So I'm looking for a little burst up. Let's see how this goes. Traders, the time is 2:07. What happened? It consolidated over here and then it broke out, but as usual, it rejects the red line over here. So, what I have done now is I have booked half quantity over here at 142, exactly over here where it dipped, and now it's looking to rise back up. I shifted the remaining quantity at over here at 131. So I am in a no loss trade, but this is actually a recovery trade. It is not a profit trade. It is a recovery trade, which I'll show you at the end of the video. So I bought over here at 120. I booked half quantity over here at 142, and the next stop loss has been shifted to 131. Now I'm waiting for this to break the high of 156 over here as it's showing, and then we will start trailing, and my target is 180 plus on this particular trade. Let's see how that works out. Alright traders, just this is just for technical analysis training. Okay, whenever there is a third drop after a spike, okay, now see this, when this was the time where red crossed green, okay, as explained in my training, okay, this is the first drop, and when the next drop consolidation should happen below this level, which is over here 2. Okay, the next drop happened over here 3. When it pauses and there's a green candle, you buy with the stop loss being here immediately after the third drop. Okay, so this is your buy section. Now you can buy calls, you can buy futures, whatever it is, and look at this. The supporting factor here is the SAR lines crossed the red line over here. Okay, in the third drop, when you notice there's a third drop, you buy and let the low of that area be the stop loss. So now it went, okay, the candles whenever they break out before green crosses red will always come back to test green. Now I am waiting for the green line to cross, one second, yeah, I'm waiting for the green line to cross red and stay above it. If that happens, then it will break VWAP, take a retest on VWAP, and then fire up. So I'm waiting for that now. So I have a call, like I said over here, 42,400. Shifted my stop loss to 131. If that comes and meets, I'm going to be very pissed off. but I'm just looking for an upside from here. Okay, traders, it has come and hit my second stop loss over here as well. So I am going to forget this for now. But what I see here, Bank Nifty is creating a sort of a price action. It's stopping at this consolidation zone. So what I did was at 317, I bought 42,000 call option over here at 317. I am going to leave this till close and see what return it can give me. Currently, the loss is not looking very nice. It is quite big today. I was caught off by that surprise drop, but now I'm going to see how much I can recover. So this is the trade for now. I bought it at 317, and my stop loss would be at the day's low on this particular strike, that is 285. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, what I told you that it will come, it will test VWAP, do a price action and shoot up. So now the option that I bought here at 317, okay, now it's at 376, already almost 60 points in the bag. I'm looking for more upside because Bank Nifty is looking, it already broke this swing over here. It'll probably retest and break it. Now the next target would be another 150 points up. So with 150 points, this would probably go about 60-70 points more. So I'm still holding it. The time is 2:31, and the 42,400 which I had. Look at this. It hunts me out and then it flies towards my target. This is what pisses me off. It is so difficult to trade in volatile markets like this. They just want to hunt, and then they have to travel. Anyway, nonetheless, I'm on this trade. I took very small quantity over here. Here I was heavily loaded. I actually took 250 quantity at 120 right at the bottom. Look at this, the price action, and over here then I trailed at 142, then I trailed at 130 to secure my profit. Okay, that gave some good returns, but look at this, another 34 points. 34 points into 250 would be 7,000 plus. Anyway, that's okay. It's part of trading. So here, what I bought at 317, now I've kept my stop loss at 348, securing 30 points. I'm looking for more upside, and once this starts flying, I'll start trading. Okay, traders, as usual, is the typical market. I trailed my stop loss at 348 on 42,000 call option. From 382, it came down, knocked me out, and it's rising again. So I also played smart with the market. I bought 292 over here on 42,100, which is at the money currently, and I'm looking for it to break above 321. If this price action happens, it will be a superb day. I will have covered and recovered all my loss. My stop loss on this particular trade will be very small. I'm going to put the stop loss at 272 right over here. 272 here. Okay, my first target will be at least 30 points from here, so I'll take it at 322. Yeah, and above that, let's see where it goes. Okay, traders, another learning that I would like to show you here is when the RSI dip is more than the previous. So this was over here, okay, and this RSI is dipping over here. Now if this is dipping more and this is staying above, it's a higher low, so there's a very good chance that it is taking price action and it is going to shoot up. This is my way of seeing it. Now over here, what I've done is I've shifted my stop loss over here to 279 from 272. So I've reduced 7 points from my stop loss. Now see, it went till almost 300 and then came back down. Now it's again at cost price. I don't know what this market wants to do. Look at the volatility here. If I just zoom out over here, just look at this. Up, down, up, down. These are like 60-80 point swings on options. This is very difficult to trade in such a market. You just have to scalp. You have to time it very well. Now see, again is coming down. Probably will hit my stop loss and then again rally back up. So I don't know, very fed up today. I think I was too totally emotional in trading today. Nothing worked right. I mean, the price action, this is a true price action on futures. If you see this, okay, when before these lines cross, if there's a breakout, it comes back within this candle, and when it comes, it will take a test on this green and then start firing up from here. But it's already 249, so I don't know what the market wants to do now. Okay, if this goes back up, breaks sweep and stays up on it, then we'll look at breaking this high and then again it'll fly. So let's wait and watch. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the time is 3:21, and as you can see, 42,100, which we were in. Uh, just see how it troubled me. Okay, I had bought in at 292. Okay, my stop loss was 272. Okay, here I bought it over here, so it came down, went up. Twice it went to my first target 315. This was a spike and a fall. So when the spike and fall usually happens, market starts turning. So that is what I suspected, and I put my stop loss at 294, and then again went to my target. So this was really annoying. Anyway, I did a small scalp again on 7 points, took 700 rupees over there. Overall, my profit and loss statement is very red today. It's absolutely disgusting the way I traded. I'm not very happy with myself. So let's just look at that right now. Okay, everybody, the profit and loss statement today is a sad 5,100 loss. So yes, where I lost, let me just show you. Okay, 42,200 call option. This is what I had taken along with the April future put, looking at the three falling pattern. Obviously, it didn't work out, and I lost around almost 4,300, 400 rupees over there. ये धोखा दिया यार, ये बहुत बुरा धोखा दिया. This and 42,200 call option. I managed to recover 41,800 call option over here. I recovered very well over there. Then there was a recovery on the put option that I took 3,000 rupees over here, and then 42,400, which I had taken very heavy quantity, again 4,000 recovered over here. All in all, it was quite a disappointing day. Even the 15 Fin Nifty 18,800 call option, again on a three dropping method, what I took. What happened was I bought this at 556 and I kept a stop loss at 51. It fell to 40, and then from 40 it straight away rocketed to 60, 65. So 25 points rocket over there. So here also I lost 3,000. Lal Patla, sad, it went above my buy point and came back, and then again went above, then again came back, and so I just quitted at loss of 172. All in all, a very sad way to end the weekend. I'm still profitable in this weekend, thankfully. So I'm just going to sleep over it throughout the weekend, enjoy the Eid, and I will see you guys next on Monday. Have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.